Nice shot, Leslie. Atta girl. Keep working. As a team, the camaraderie and the communication is just top notch.
Hate it, baby.
They're just solid together. I like it. So the women's team, currently 4th in the nation. We've won 7 tournaments. We're just bowling really well this year.
We put a lot of time in to be as successful as we are, so it's really nice to get recognized.
4th in the nation is a huge deal. As a club program, we don't have bowling scholarships. So to be able to be one of those top 4 or 5 teams is huge. We do it with Ohio kids. We do it with a blue-collar mentality. We work hard, and we get rewarded for that.
When people find out we're a club, they're always really surprised because we're really good, and for a club, we're even better.
Once we step on the lanes, it's all about who can perform and who can bowl. Nobody cares whether you had a scholarship or not.
And we all commit to bowling so much. Even if we have days off, sometimes we go bowling because we just think it's a lot of fun.
Oh, no.
Bowling is really just our life, and that's really what makes our team successful.
Men's team is getting there, and they're starting to gel together as a team also. We were 30th in the country. We're now 14th.
Well, the girls' team is more well-known because they're always in like top 5 of the rankings every year. So we're trying to get back up to where the girls have been.
For us to be able to practice with them and bowl next to them is a privilege because we can learn things from them that they're going to learn from us as well.
And that's great because when we sit in a meeting after the tournament, it's not just always talking about the girls. Now we're talking about the guys and the girls. So now our family has become really big. So now it's the Wright State bowling family's doing really well.
We're a legit team. It's not something we do as a leisure activity. We take it as a real sport.
Nobody works harder at their games than this group of kids here.
Like, everyone that's here is here because they want to be here, and so that just makes everyone work so much harder for what we're doing.
Next person on the team has to make the spare any way they can.